This is my first attempt at installing a High Seer Pioneer mini split air conditioning system. I think the results speak for themselves. This company is remarkable in the quality of their units. Anytime you have a question, they immediately respond. And I'm actually thrilled and highly recommend this particular manufacturer.
If you were to basically kind of the team obviously of late, put everything kind of for the Cowboys in one word, what word would that be right now?
That's a good question. I would go with brotherhood. I feel like there's this